In this tutorial, we're going to go over how to use the game color.method.ac. This video would also help you to understand the different areas in color theory, the 6 at least that are listed on this game. Now the game helps to train your eye to identify the subtle differences in colors and understand the 6 different terms used and described, like color, color pairing. This game is also good to help you with other things. For example, in Illustrator and in Photoshop, the color bar that's used there, it helps you navigate that a little bit better. So let's begin. The first one is hue. I'm going to click to start right here. And what I found most helpful is just knowing where you are on the game, like where your cursor is, how to look for those colors. The first ones are pretty easy. And just know that the middle is pretty much the timer. You don't seem to get any extra points if you do it earlier. But if you do it when it runs out of time, it's not good. So that was hue. The next one is saturation. Click to continue. Now this one, you're not just moving it up around, you're actually going in and out of it to help get that saturation. Somewhere around here. Almost running out of time. The good thing is that you could take this as many times as you want, which will give you good practice. You know that by bringing it down, it's going to make it darker. It's somewhere around there. All right, complementary colors. And all the definitions to these are actually in the description below. Again, with these, you want to see where you are in relation to it. So I'm looking at the one on the right, and I know I'm in the orange, so the one on the right has to be around these blues. Somewhere around here, there, that's okay. This one now has to be around the red. Again, I know that I'm looking for the one on the right on my cursor. Right there. Looking for the purple with my right. I'm looking for this red. Still have time. Analogous color. Go, click to continue, yes. All right, my middle one is this green, that green. Oh no, I'm running out of time. Horrible, horrible. I lost myself in that one. Well, can't let it mess me up. More of the blues, the purples. Not doing good with this one. I didn't mean to click that one. Analogous is not going to be that good. Let's see Triad. Okay, my cursor is in the red, and I'm trying to get that orange color right there. So here, a little bit more down, maybe more of the red. Yeah, somewhere around there. Okay, now it wants me to be in the red. It's okay. That wants me to be in the purple. That wants me to be around the green. Kind of rushed out there. Now this one wants me to be in the light blue. And the more you play it, the more you're gonna start understanding like what these things do. Just like in Illustrator or Photoshop, whenever you're using those tools, you start to realize, oh, this is how I get the exact color I want. Okay, so right now I'm in the red, and that means that I'm looking for this one. So it actually wants me to be in the purple. That was quick. Now it wants me to be in this pink. And again, part of the harder part on this is knowing like where it wants you to actually be. And again, I know this one right here, so I can come right around there. I'm still in this one, so somewhere around here. There. All right, green. Yeah. So analogous color was not that good. I think with that one I didn't realize where I was at. But keep trying this over as many times as you want. And remember, on a Mac, Command Shift 4 to take a screenshot, just to kind of keep a record for yourself. But if you want, you could continue over and over and over until you feel comfortable with the score that you got. But 10 is the highest. All right.